Hey, what's up guys, we are back with a good news. Samsung is about to do the biggest smartphone lineup shakeup in history of its existence. The ultimate decision to kill the Note series or keep it alive is still yet to decide. According to a massive report that came out of South Korea yesterday saying that Samsung won't be launching the Note 21 series for the first time, no Note phones, discontinuing the legendary lineup but still offer the main feature of the Note phones, that is the S Pen, finally for the first time coming to the Galaxy S series with the S21 Ultra, of course as a separate accessory, but the Z Fold 3 will have it built in like the Note phones, making it the perfect device to replace the prestigious Galaxy Note 21 flagship. It's been said that it's an almost confirmed decision, but not yet. There might still be a Galaxy Note phone in 2021. According to a Twitter leakster from South Korea, he claims that Samsung will still release a Galaxy Note phone. Samsung will discontinue the Note series, but not next year. Now, Ross Young said that this is what his sources are saying as well, so that adds more accuracy to this claim. Now, I personally reached out to get more information on the matter, and it seems like we'll know for sure after Unpacked 2021 because that's when the Galaxy Note development will begin. So until then, nothing has been decided. So all of you Note fans out there, there's still a hope alive. I personally think that if not the Galaxy Note 21, there is still a market for a cheaper, affordable Galaxy Note phone. Again, all the answers will arrive after the Unpacked 2021, which will happen in the first week of January. That's where Samsung will be announcing the Galaxy S21 lineup, with official launch happening in the late January. Now, let's talk about the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This is going to be a groundbreaking phone with some groundbreaking technology. According to South Korean media, the Z Fold 3 will be the first Samsung device to have a under-screen camera. Korean media has further reported that Samsung has a new technology that allows the camera to sit under the OLED display comfortably, which will give the Z Fold 3 a complete bezel-less look, something that we've been talking about for like 2 years now. This also means that Galaxy S22 will likely be the first Galaxy S flagship phone with the under-screen camera, and of course that sweet AMD GPU is coming as well. Now, so far Samsung is still testing things out. The thing with the under-display camera is that it has some effect to the quality of selfies, so they still want to make sure that everything is on their flagship level. The initial decision was to use a pop-up camera system, but that was a very risky move. They scrapped that idea, and if all goes well, the Z Fold 3 will be Samsung's first phone with a under-display camera. Not just the first phone, but also the first foldable phone in the world to have a under-screen camera. How crazy is that? Also in the news, a wave of Snapdragon 875 phones will be coming pretty soon in the first half of 2021. All these phones will have ability of 100-watt fast charging, which is absolutely insane. I know Samsung won't be jumping on this train, but very likely Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, or even OnePlus might be those companies to deliver these crazy charging speeds. Xiaomi already did 120-watt charging, so I won't be surprised if they are on that list. So that's all the latest news. The Galaxy Note series will come to an end pretty soon, but 2021 might not be that year. Again, we'll know for sure in about 1 month after the Unpacked 2021. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.